If heaven can smile above these ruined halls, the light that crowns this shining wave recalls the heaven that gave to Eden flowers their bloom. Must the story of our time record the buds we mired and trampled in the sod? Are these grey dwellings shutting out the Lord, the fairest nursery we could afford for such bright blossoms of the tree of God?
Them two will be clicking soon enough. We'll have to watch them behind the front door.
Oh, I wouldn't be so sure.
Alice, do you have any of that crap paper left? If you don't, it's grand.
I have an abundance of it, and you're more than welcome to it.
Thanks.
Be happy never setting eyes on it again.
Did you hear the Banshee last night? Did you not hear it, no?
Stop it, you.
What? We heard that. It wasn't a cat. I know the sound of the cat. It was a Banshee doing her rounds. Dad said that meant someone's gone to it.
Your dad said a lot of things in his time. Wouldn't believe all of them.
When's he back from France?
For your birthday.
You all right, mister?
Mrs. Dunn I'm looking for. She's in arrears.
She's dead. Gone last week. Did you not hear the Banshee?
In that case, I'm sorry. In a week, I'll come back. In case she has risen.
Thank you, Pa. I swear to hear him coming in my sleep.
I'll say this from, at least you won't leave your teeth in the street like that Lynch. Them Jew men are more Christian. It's your own that'll eat you.
Did you see who? Yeah. Brendan McAtee lives number 16. What? Did you wake up last week and she'd have Latin at it? Look at Baba feeding off her. Getting all that milk.
Ah, you're rotten.
Why am I wrong? I'm not the rat who did it.
The Sinn Féiners are after wrecking the place. Half of Sackville Street's in chaos. They're after putting the windows through in the sweet shops. The state of Noblets, I tell you. I'll be turning some heads now with these fineries. Go on in, girls. Sure, that shower'll have the shite kicked out of them soon enough.
Are you offering to mind them?
Yeah, it'd be ideal now if my water's broke on Sackville Street, wouldn't it?
No, Chambers.
Ma, I'll get you something.
It's a lucky dip. True as God.
Wait. sensible stuff, do you hear me? Things I can cook. Tell them gobshites bullets aren't good enough for them. Maggie, don't even look at me. You stay here and play with the girls.
Anyone for a bonbon? That's it, Ron. Mom, help yourself. Can I help you, Dad?
Are you the owner? Where's the owner? What is it? Is this it? Do you not want anything else? I'll have you. Don't even tell. You little rats. Stop. Here, turn out your pockets. Turn out your... Out your pockets.
Leave me alone. Oh, yeah. You want to fight? Fuck off the front.
Come on. Stash them in the church when we come back.
Has anybody got an aid?
Jesus Christ. He says the business.
Wait till we do cleaning.
Pauli.
When are they back?
Bedtime, Mrs.
Soon though. I'm liking if you got your address. It's exciting.
This is excitement. I'd rather be bored.
Is he gonna bring you back?
Diamonds.
Sweetens be nice.
Can I see the Queen Lillian?
Of course you can, love. You don't need to ask, do you hear? Put her up there by the window.
Boy! Where are you going?
Home. You're not invited.
I wouldn't want to be. Where'd you get them?
Baby Jesus. Says you can only have the one.
Me if all those endearing young charms which I gaze on so fondly today were to change by tomorrow and fleet in my arms like fairy gifts fading away. Thou wouldst still be adored as this moment thou art. Let thy loveliness fade.
Might slow if you with the fucking moocher soon.
Come on, you. Shite.
Smell like dog.
Close your eyes.
No. What are they like?
Go on. Tom got him for you.
Can I have another one?
You can have the lot.